Hello everyone! The world of power semiconductors is spinning at a great pace. This week, all industry focus is at APEC in Orlando. I'm sending my greetings to my friends and colleagues in the US. And now, let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. VisIC Technologies successfully tested its 2.2 million 650 volt half-bridge power module consisting of 4 parallel 8 million power FETs in a 3-phase configuration on a dyno test bench using a PMSM motor at a major automotive OEM. Thanks to this, VisIC Technologies has proven that their direct drive D-mode gallium nitride semiconductor technology is well suited even for the most challenging high-power automotive applications. Concerns about parallelization and oscillations caused by fast switch and transients have been addressed. Mitsubishi Electric Corporation announced that it will double the previously announced investment plan to approximately 260 billion yen in a 5-year period to March 2026, mainly for constructing a new wafer plant to increase production of silicon carbide power semiconductors. Under the plan, Mitsubishi Electric expects to respond to rapidly increasing demand for silicon carbide power semiconductors for electric vehicles, as well as expanded markets for new applications that require, for example, low energy loss, high temperature operation, or high-speed switching. The plan will also enable Mitsubishi Electric to contribute to the global green transformation trend toward energy conservation and decarbonization. Microchip technology has reached a milestone in its multi-year $800 million initiative aiming to triple production capacity at its Oregon manufacturing facility. Celebrating close to the halfway mark in a major workforce expansion and capital equipment investment, the efforts are part of Microchip's larger initiative to ramp up overall production in the US as demand continues to grow for semiconductor products across a broad range of industries. South Korea announced that it will build the world's largest semiconductor cluster in the country's northeast province. The project will attract approximately $230 billion in investments as part of the government's efforts to secure a competitive edge in the sector. The ministry said that the semiconductor cluster will house 5 advanced chip fabrication facilities as well as around 150 materials, parts, and fabless companies by 2042. Co-located with ETEC, the international event devoted to innovative electrical and electronic technologies, Fortronic Electronics Forum will once again open its doors on April 19 and 20, 2023 in Bologna in Italy. Fortronic is one and the only event in Italy that gathers power semiconductors and electronics industry players during 2 days of the trade show and workshops. During the show, you will have a chance to talk to the Italian power electronics community and learn the latest news about the Italian electronics market. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more power semiconductors market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or reach me on LinkedIn. Have a great day.